Hello, hello. Hey, what up? What up? Oh, you left us unattended. What's up? What up? Hot Mess Express. What up? Let's see who else is here. Let me see. Miss Bell Bonds, Twin Falls, Idaho. Let me see. We got Andy. Andy up in the casa. All right, all right. What's up? How you guys been? I just walked in and man, I haven't been on TikTok for a few days now. Good to be back, bro. What? Damn, hey, that's bad. How that happened? If you don't mind sharing with us. Damn, that's probably one of my worst fears right there, if you will. Very, very eventful. Laughing out loud. Did a backflip on my daughter's trampoline and landed. Oh man, hey, that's why I don't mess with trampolines. We got a rule right here at the house: no trampolines in the house. It always ends bad, if you will. And also, my daughter, she can't go. She can't go to those trampoline places either, because that always turns out bad. Also, yeah, it's always something. It's always something. Let me turn on my mic on. Do we got it on? All right. Yep. My mic is on. Let me turn on the camera. All right. All right. And let me lift it up a little bit here. Oh, no. It's the wrong camera. Let me switch it up here. Logitech. There we go. That's more like it. Hey, what up, Maribel? How's it going? Hey, what up, Hollywood 762? Hey, what up, Coco? How's it going? Let me see. What's for dinner? Man, nothing. I just ate some cold. I ate some cold pizza on my flight. Carol writes, "Where have you been?" I've been out in. We were out in. What was it? We were out in the East Coast. We were out in New Jersey and the New York area, if you will. We let me see. That was funny about pumping gas in NJ. I had the same thing happen to me. Crazy. Stay long. Yup. Yeah, definitely a head scratcher there. You know, not being able to pump your gas. Let me see. Let me see what else we got here. Yeah. So we were out there. We were out there for a few days. We just got back. We just got back right now. Like right now, literally, I probably walked in. I was here for like 5 minutes before I started hooking everything back up. I like that haunted place you went to. Oh, that prison. Yeah. You're missed. I look forward to your stuff. Yeah, I'll be tomorrow. I think I gotta double check my work schedule. I think I'm off tomorrow, so I'll have some hours to be able to jump on tomorrow, if you will. So, but yeah, we just got in. The flight wasn't bad. It was pretty good. It wasn't delayed or anything. So that's always a plus. So I mean, the airport was pretty uneventful. I can't say that. I can't say that as far as for driving out there, man. It's crazy out east. Hey, what's up? What's up, Anna? What up? How's it going, Chloe? Hey, what up, Rachel? How's it going? Yeah, hey, driving out there, man, I thought California was bad, but hey, New Jersey definitely takes the prize on that one. They take the cake. As soon as we got there, like the foolishness started. My wife was driving. We were at like an intersection waiting to make a ride, and people were just honking and cutting us off, and man, it was definitely a nail biter and a head scratcher, if you will. I couldn't make any sense of it, but hey, different rules are everywhere. There's different rules everywhere you go. Let me see. NY loves to always honk. Yeah, man, they be honk. I remember like we were at a intersection trying to make a left, and the car just got in my wife's bumper, and they started honking, and my wife was like, "What's going to happen?" I was like, "You know what? I guess this fool wants you to move up because he wants to be able to go around you." And sure enough, my wife moved up a little bit, and boom, that fool was out. He was out of there like a bat out of hell. I was like, man, I wonder if he's a doctor, or because everybody seems like they're in a hurry. Or were they just in a hurry to go home and do nothing? Hey, what's up, Tita? How's it going? Let me see. Oh, if you think AJ is bad, don't go through Rhode Island. Oh, yeah. Worse than, hey, Anna, the drivers in out east, they take the price. LA, they're mild compared to what do you call it, to the East Coast. Hey, what's up? What up, Frank? Let me see. Any hurry to get into the red light, right? Manhattan. Hey, so we were in Manhattan. Yeah, Manhattan was pretty bad too. Man, we were out there. As a matter of fact, we were out there. Was it yesterday? Yeah, we were out there yesterday in the morning. They got us on the toll roads. The toll was like $31.15 or something. I was like, damn. And then to top it off, the cherry in the top, we did a dry run. We originally had gone out there for something, and then it was just a whole mix-up. So we just ended up paying a toll for no reason, if you will. No bueno, right, Anna? So yeah, that bridge toll is insane. We were out there. We were out there we went in December. In December, the prices were reasonable, but now, hey, what up? How's it going? Is that red check? Or redneck? Oh no, it's redneck. What? Yeah. So what's up? How's it going? Yeah. So there's definitely you know what? And as a matter of fact, I did see the increase, but I'm not. Like I don't live there, so I'm not too worried about it. So we went out there. We were driving, and on Waze it showed what the toll was gonna be. I was like, damn. They're gonna get us today. Last time I went was for a car show, so I had a truck trailer. What? 113? Sheesh. What? They need to start this. I'm getting tired. Right, Zay. Let me see. Hey, thank you for the follow. Hashtag emoji, laughing face. Yup. You got it. Let me see. This is going to be Maricopa coming up. Yup. What up, Layla? How's it going? Thank you for the like. Appreciate you guys. So, the quarters start when they whenever they feel like it, if you will. Let me see here. Very good. And you? Hope you had you been well? Yeah, I've been pretty good. Hey, you know what, man? We were eating food from all over the place. I think like the first day we got there, we ate Peruvian food. We got lomo saltado. Then I think like the second day we ate pupusas. We got Salvadorian food. Then the third day we went to a Dominican place, and we were just jumping all over the place, eating all kinds of food. Hey, what's up, Lex? How's it going? How was your flight? The flight wasn't too bad. It was long. It was like a 5-hour flight, almost 6, and it wasn't bad. No, we didn't have any turbulence. It was a straight shot. It wasn't delayed. We disembarked. Our luggage made it, which is always a plus when your luggage makes it to the destination. So, where's mine's, James? I can drive for the next 2 weeks. Damn! Woo! That's all bad. Oh shit! It started. I can hear the sound. Hold up. I gotta fix the sound over here. They said, "All rise." You guys can't hear it, right? What's going on?
Thank you. Please be seated. This is the 11 p.m. calendar on March 18th, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA.
Hey, Gigi, what's up? Let me fix the audio because the audio is not working right now. Headphones.
The orders are going to be on your
there we go.
paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to
Hey,
do a
thank
few
you.
things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you are going to be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second thing, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you, so please save your legal questions for your attorney as well. Finally, you're going to be hearing lots of different dates. You're also going to be hearing lots of different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep and save your paperwork and not lose it. If you end up missing a court date or if you end up not following a court order, you just could end up back here. Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call two names. First name I call is going to come into the courtroom, stand at the podium in front of me. Second name I call is going to sit on the chair next to the door. Then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar's finished. Could I please get Raymond Yount to the podium? Levy Reber to the chair, please.
Hey, thank you for that. Cool.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
I'm sorry?
Name and date of birth, please.
Raymond Kevin Yount, date of birth is August 18th, 1965.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your last name there. You are here on a probation violation warrant, so I am assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. On the request of your probation violation judge, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time due to finding of violation of your probation. Again, your next court date is going to be March 25th.
Okay.
Thank you. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
Okay.
Levy Reber to the podium. Dylan Ackert Balgonorth to the chair, please.
Yeah, hey, no Timu translator today.
Name and date of birth, please.
Levi River, 10284.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your name.
It's okay.
You are here on 2 probation violation warrants. I am assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $3,000 secured on one of them and $500 secured on the other. But, sir, they transported you from DOC, correct?
Yes.
All right, sir. So at this point, technically, you're going to be held non-bondable. You're not going to be released. After your probation violation stuff is done, they're just going to transport you back. So please don't try to pay those bonds. Do you have any questions for me?
I said I'll be transported back when?
After you're done with your probation violation cases down here in Maricopa County.
Okay.
Once everything is done, then they'll transport you back to DOC.
Okay, cool.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Dylan Ackert Balgonorth to the podium. Juan Soto to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Dylan Ackert Balgonorth, February 3rd, 1994.
Thank you. Apologize for mispronouncing your last name.
Not a problem.
You are here on an out-of-county warrant, so I am assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 21st. That's at the Flagstaff Justice Court. Affirming the bond set by the judge up there. It's a $20,000 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Juan Soto to the podium. Zachary Critchfield to the chair, please.
Juan Soto. Hey, what
Hi,
up,
name and date
Alice?
of birth, please.
Juan Lucio Soto, January 31st, 1996.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possessing contraband in a prison facility, Class 2 felony, possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a cash bond at $10,000. Sir, if you're able to bond out, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 24 hours. You also have a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is March 25th. Setting a secured appearance bond of $50. Same conditions of release. If you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 24 hours. Sir, please don't try to pay that $50 bond unless you can pay the entire bond. Otherwise, you won't get credit for time served.
Valley State Prison?
What's my violation for? My probation violation?
picking up this new case, term 1.
Oh, okay.
Term 1 violation for this new charge.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Please step to the left of your paperwork,
Hey,
sir.
so it is blurry, but
Zachary
unfortunately,
Critchfield to the podium.
I don't control
Fernando
that.
Rivera to the chair, please.
I'm not sure what they did on their end, but they messed it up.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Zachary Critchfield, June 22nd, 2001.
Thank you. You're here today on a grand jury warrant. Grand jury has found probable cause to hold you on burglary in the second degree, a class 3 felony, theft of means of transportation, a class 3 felony, and theft of a credit card, a class 5 felony. This all happened back in July of 2023. So I am assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be an arraignment hearing on March 26th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the grand jury. It's a $10,000 cash bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be on pretrial services release with an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. I want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fernando Rivera to the podium. Tyler Hoffman to the chair, please.
Hey, I'm sorry to hear that your husband got stabbed, man. That's crazy.
Hi, sir. Name and date of birth, please.
1976.
Name, please.
Thank you.
Fernando Rivero.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 matters, a Superior Court new case and a Justice Court warrant. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for criminal damage, class 4 felony, possession of dangerous drugs, class 4 felony, burglary in the 3rd degree, class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $7,000. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you can't go back to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You also have a Justice Court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is March 21 at the El Centro Justice Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge out there. It's a $400 secured appearance bond. Same conditions of release. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
What up, Sancho 310,
Tyler
man?
Hoffman to the podium. Chantal Saucedo to the chair, please.
I've been out in New York and New Jersey for the last few
Hi,
days.
sir. Name and date of birth, please.
Tyler Alvin, 12/2/2002.
Thank you. Sir, we are recalling your case. You were here just a few hours ago. I'm here to inform you that there's been one change to the charges that you were facing previously. Instead of shoplifting as class 1 misdemeanors, you are facing 2 counts of shoplifting as class 6 felonies now. So that's the only changes to your charge. I'm not changing the rest of your release conditions, and so I'll reaffirm your court dates of March 24th and March 27th, reaffirming your release conditions that were previously set, $5,000 secured appearance bond, with the other conditions of release that were on your paperwork. I believe new paperwork has been printed out for you, and so really the only thing that's changed is are there shoplifting charges? Do you have any questions for me?
No.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Hey, you know what? So
Chantal Saucedo to the podium.
I
Shift back
recorded-
to the chair, please.
I recorded a lot. I need to upload those videos, so I'll be uploading them in the coming days.
Hi, name and date of birth,
Hi,
please.
Chantal Saucedo, 11/13/95.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated domestic violence, a class 5 felony, criminal damage, a class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. Ma'am, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on supervised release, and you're going to be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor.
Okay.
Furthermore, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with the victim, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And if there's any orders of protection that are put out against you, you have to follow those orders. And you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a class 6 felony.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
You know what? I
Shift
like
up to the podium.
I like the
Joshua
variety.
Flores Martinez to the chair, please.
I like the variety of food out there, man. It's bananas, man. We were eating internationally pretty much.
Sir, name and date of birth, please.
Chip Buck, August 24th, 1987.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for theft, a class 3 felony, burglary in the 3rd degree, class 4 felony, possession of burglary tools, a class 6 felony, criminal trespass, a class 2 misdemeanor, and damage to a vehicle without the owner's consent, a class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause on all charges except for the theft, the Class 3 felony. I'm not finding probable cause on that at this time. I'm not saying it's never going to come back up again. The prosecutor's office could recharge, but at least for today, I'm not considering that charge. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. So you can use a bond company. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Your Honor, may I ask you a question?
Sure, as long as it's not about the facts of the case, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Is there any way that maybe we could lower the bond just a little bit, sir? I do currently get unemployment. I am switching to a new job, so money's kind of tight. I'm in college. I'm in Mesa Community College. I go to school. If you could do pretrial services, that'd be great to make pay no money. I would follow everything. I did successfully complete parole and probation back to back. Sir, I think I'm
As it'd be a no-go.
I think I'm a great candidate for it, and I can show you that.
So, sir,
Hey, what up, Carly?
I appreciate you asking, and I hear you.
I hear
Here's
you.
my one concern. You know your felony history,
Yes, sir.
and that's
Not one missed court date. Not one.
yeah, no, and we do consider that, but the other thing we do consider is the totality of your felony history too.
Maybe a slight decrease in it.
Yeah, you know, sir, here's the thing. Not everyone that appears before me is as necessarily respectful as you are. I do
Ooh.
appreciate that. Can I get a reprint, please? Sir, I'm not going to grand off of your secured appearance bond. I'll knock it down to $4,000. I can't do more because you got a lot,
Okay.
unfortunately. All the other conditions of your release are the same. Your court dates are the same, but your secured appearance bond is going to be $4,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is at this time. That's the best I can do for you.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Want to please step? Actually, if you wait to your left, you're going to get brand new paperwork. They're printing it out for you right now. Okay?
400 bucks.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
And a pink slip to a car, and he's out.
Joshua Flores Martinez to the podium. Juan Gonzalez to the chair, please.
He got some love right there. Hey, what up, Zoe?
Name and date of birth, please.
Joshua Flores Martinez, September 30th, 1993.
Thank you. Sir, you are here on 4 separate matters. The Superior Court new case, 2 probation violation warrants, and a Justice Court warrant. So let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for use of an electronic communications device during a drug offense, Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $2,500. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. You also have 2 probation violation warrants. You're getting an attorney. Your next court dates on both of those are March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $500 secured on one and $50 secured on the other with the same conditions of release. Finally, you also have a Justice Court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date on that one is March 21st. That's at the West McDowell Justice Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge. It's a $1,000 secured appearance bond at that Justice Court. Again, same conditions of release. The most important one, if you're able to bond out on all of your cases, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please have to
Hey, Slim, thank you for reposting.
Juan Gonzalez to the podium.
Hey, how do
Joel
you
Mendoza to the chair, please.
Hey, how do you repost this? If you guys don't mind sharing, because I can't figure it out for the life of me. Hey, Zoe, I've been pretty good. I can't complain.
March 12, 2001.
Hi, full name, please.
Juan Jimenez Gonzalez, Manuel, March 12, 2001.
Thank you. You're here today on two probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $750 secured on one, $750 secured on the other, total $1,500 secured. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 24 hours because you're on intensive probation.
Okay.
If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Okay, thank you guys. I'll
So
go ahead and
Mendoza
check
to
it
the
out.
podium. Jasmine Hinckley to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Joel Mendoza, July 25th of 83.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. So I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's going to be March 25th for both of those in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $500 secured on one, $500 secured on the other. Total, $1,000 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Thank you.
Deputy, you have to call a warrant if you want to hold off for 1 second, please. Thank you.
All right. So yeah, this is live, and this is in the state of Arizona, specifically Maricopa County, Phoenix, Arizona, if you will. I can't repost. I can only share and add. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. I've never seen the option to repost. Let me ask you, the guys that you guys are able to repost, are you guys in the U.S. or are you guys outside the U.S.? Let me see. How many of these dudes are gonna get? They normally don't. It's not that many, if you will. No one's getting released tonight, huh? That's intake, right? Yup. UK. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see. I'm in Arizona, Phoenix, Dubai. I did it. Okay. Scotland, Dallas. I can repost. Okay. Let me see. Why? I thought this was Idaho. Nope. UK here. Hey, gracias. Thank you. I appreciate Scotland. I'm in AZ. Did it. El Paso, Utah, Chin Gators. Let me see. They changed it. It's not called 4th Avenue.
Do you want me to wait for the other DO?
Washington, I can. Australia.
All right, thank you.
From Leeds,
Jasmine Hinckley
UK.
to the podium.
Arizona.
Zion Kilgore to the chair, please.
The chair. Canada.
Hi,
Jasmine Hinckley, January 16, 1996.
Thank you, and thank you for your patience. You're here today on 2 failure to appear warrants. And so, ma'am, I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 27th on both of those cases. That's in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. $500 secured on each one. Total, $1,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Because look,
Zion Kilgore to the podium.
on my other phone,
Raul Omana to the chair, please.
I don't see that option on there to repost, if you will.
Sir, name and date of birth, please.
Kilgore, 04/28/1999.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. Finding probable cause as to a Term 1 violation of your probation. And at this time, setting a secured appearance bond of $1,000.
No, I have not.
Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with the victim, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. If you want, please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Raul Amana to the podium. Tracy Smith to the chair, please.
Hey, thank you for that. I'm going to update it right now. I haven't updated in a long-ass time.
Please, white tank top, could you bring him in, please?
I normally don't update my apps, but for this one, I will make that special exception, if you will.
Name and date of birth, please.
Raul Amana, Jr., July 7, 1992.
Okay, thank
What
you.
month? July 7th? All right, thank you. Sir, you're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is March 26th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge, $1,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir? Tracy Smith to the podium. Angelique Tobin to the chair, please.
Hey, what up, Matthew? And what up, Joe K? Next court would be at 5 a.m. The next one will be at 5 a.m.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Tracy Smith, 8169.
Thank you. You're here today on 4 matters, a
What up,
Superior Court
JJ?
new case and 3 probation violation warrants. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $500. Sir, if you're able to bond out, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
All right.
Then you have 3 probation violation warrants. I am assigning counsel. Your next court date on all of those is going to be March 25th. And I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $100 on one, $100 on the other, $100. So it's $300 total for your probation violations. Total for all your stuff, $800 secured. Same conditions of release. Like I said, most important one though, you got to contact your PO within 3 days if you bond out.
All right.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
So I did
Angelique
a
Tobin to the podium. Melissa Long to the chair, please.
repost to my story. Now I'm looking for my story.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Angelique Tobin, 62982.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. $750 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important one, though, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Melissa Long to the podium. Martin McDonough to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Melissa Long, 121086.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants, so I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 25th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. $300 secured on one.
Yeah.
$300 secured on the other. Total $600 secured. If you're able to bond out, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, though, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. So please step to your left for your paperwork.
Hey, user. So I'm watching this
Martin
with my.
McDonough to the podium. Julius Young to the chair, please.
I'm watching this with my eyes, and yeah, I'm up late tonight. I just got home right now.
Name and date of birth, please.
Martin McDonough, 1/13/1970.
Thank you. You are here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for criminal damage, Class 5 felony, disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor, assault, a Class 3 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. Sir, I'm not assigning you an attorney because I'm finding that you're not indigent at this time. But sir, by the time of your next court date, if you're unable to hire yourself an attorney, would you please ask the next judge to assign you an attorney?
Yes, I would like an attorney assigned, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Actually, so I just want to clarify. At this time, I'm not finding that you're making a little bit too much money at this time, from what I see, to assign you a free attorney right now. But between now and March 24th, if you find you can't afford an attorney, would you request one of the next judge?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the Downtown Superior Court. This time, I'm setting a secured appearance bond of $500. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services release, and you're going to be alcohol tested and monitored. Furthermore, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. So please step to your left for your paperwork. Julius Young to the podium. Robert Cullen to the chair, please.
Next! Up next, did you get an update on Felipe? No, not yet, Anna. I haven't heard anything
Sir,
back
name
yet.
and date of birth, please.
Julius Young, 11/82.
Thank you. You are here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for burglary in the 3rd degree, Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are March 24th and March 27th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $500. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services release. You're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Why don't you step to your left, sir?
Hey, so tomorrow...
Robert Cullen to the podium.
Tomorrow we'll
Andrew
be back.
Reyes to the chair, please.
We'll be back to the regular streaming activity. So tomorrow we will be having some parole
Name and date of
board
birth,
hearings.
please.
Robert Cohen, 3/12/1990.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 21 at the Hasayampa Justice Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge out there. It's a $100 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
I'm sorry. I was wondering if I could possibly get OR'd because I've actually just started a new job. And I have to deal with my mom. My mom was in hospice and she just passed away on the 6th. And I have to deal with after.com for her cremation and stuff because I'm her power of attorney. I promise I'll be at that courthouse.
Yes. So, sir, here's the bind that I'm in. This is a different judge from a different justice court. I already lowered that bond from 267 down to 100.
What?
That's about the best I can do. I'm not willing to take it down to 0 just because another judge ordered a bond. And so at this time, I'm going to be affirming that $100. I don't know if you have someone to call to help you bond out so you can pay him back, but
I don't have minutes on my phone or anything or to call anybody.
So
What?
there's a phone back in the facility that you can use. That's the thing. So sir,
For free or?
yeah, it makes collect calls. So
Okay, I don't know. Like,
Did
I've been
somebody
trying
say
to call my
collect call?
wife and my roommate, and neither of them are doing anything. Like, they would answer. Like, I leave kind of a little message for the name.
yeah,
But
sir, yeah, unfortunately, I'm not willing to take it down to 0 because another judge ordered a bond. I did reduce your bond down to $100, so I am going to affirm that for now. Okay.
okay, and you said it was the 21st.
Yes, March 21st is your next court
Would
date.
that be like a video court or something?
They could transport you. They might, if you're still in here, they might transport you. It could be video too.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Please step to your left.
Hey, I'm speechless on that one right there. Hey, I know if I was busted for $100, I could at least call on like a handful of people that'll post those $100 for me. But then again, I don't burn bridges, so I would be all right. You know what I'm saying?
Andrew Reyes to the podium, please.
So on that one, a bail bonds company they're not gonna bail you out on that one. You're gonna have to pay cash on that one.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Hi, Your Honor. Andrew Nathan Reyes, September 4th, 2004.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a fugitive justice warrant, and I was noticing that you did one before. You're here on a couple things. You have a case, you have a felony case that you're working out right now, and back in December, you were here on another fugitive justice warrant. So this is out of the same place. It's out of Harris County. They're alleging that there's a probation violation at this point, and so they're asking to hold you non-bondable at this time. So, sir, you've been through this before. Did they give you that big white card?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you had this talk with the judge before last time, right, about what to do with the fugitive justice hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I just had court yesterday for the fugitive justice charge, and since there was no governor's warrant, and I did court every 30 days, so I got to the last 90 day yesterday.
Okay.
And the fugitive justice charge was dropped, so I just got page 2 for it again.
Yeah, so we're doing it again, right? So, but at this point, they're calling it a probation violation, which is why you're being held non-bondable this time. But you still have your other Maricopa County case going on, correct?
Yes.
All right. So at this point, you asked for your hearing before. I'm inclined to just set your hearing again. It's on March 31st, just because you have that other Maricopa County case going on. Is that something that you would like to agree to, or what would you like to do? Do you want to waive the hearing or have your hearing?
Well, what do you mean? I'm confused.
Yeah. So remember you had that talk before with the judge about you have two choices. You can either have the hearing or you can waive the hearing. You remember having that talk?
Yes.
Okay. And last time you chose to have the hearing, just probably because you have this case going on in Maricopa County. I was just going to have you set your hearing because you have your Maricopa County case still going on. You won't be able to get out because of that case anyway.
Yes.
And so that's what I'm asking you. Is that something you would like to do? Would you like to have your hearing because you still have your Maricopa County case going on?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. So at this point, sir, I'm gonna set your extradition hearing on March 31st in the downtown Superior Court. I'm finding that you're not going to waive your rights at this time because you still have a Maricopa County case going on. And so, sir, your next court date is going to be March 31st, okay?
Okay.
All right. And if you wait over there, they're going to print out paperwork for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm going to call one warrant, okay?
Hey, what up, user? Welcome from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Hey, and this is Maricopa County in Arizona, and this is live and direct, coming to you live and direct from my mom's basement, if you will. I just joined your live stream. It was on my FYP. Hey, thank you. Hey, thank you for joining. If you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you a thing. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Follow. That's all I'm asking for. Good morning from Scotland. Hey, what up, Craig? Welcome to You Have a Collect Call From. Hey, thank you guys for that just hit the follow. Highly appreciate it. It's free 99, doesn't cost you anything, man. It's like, if you're not following, it's like you're practically stealing it, and I'm giving it away for free right here. When did Maricopa get rid of Big Joe's stripes and pink boxers? It's been some time. It's been some time since they got rid of it. How do you watch these if you're not live when they're going on? What do you mean? I'm confused. I'm confused about your question right there. Let me see. Morning from Colorado, USA. That's right, Matthew. Hey, love and tacos. I love tacos. I love and I love tacos. That's a good combination right there. Highly appreciate it. Melina, I think, or Melania. It's free dollars. Laughing out loud. You know what I'm saying? Shout out from Phoenix, Arizona. What up, Nicolas? If you will. All right. Hopefully it's not over yet. Let me see. When are these gonna go on your not streaming them? How can I find them? Yeah, you know what? Whenever I'm not on TT, I'll be on YT. So if you go to my YouTube page at CollectCallFrom, when I'm not on, I'm running them over there. I run them daily, all day, every day, if you will. So right there, you won't miss any. Me, have a wonderful night, hey, for sure. Good evening from Glendale, Arizona. Gotcha. Thank you, for sure. He's always on YT. Yeah, I run it even when I'm out and about. And I be having some bumps in the road and whatnot. I'm always running these on YT, so definitely check them out. And this is not the only ones that I run. I also do Dade County. I do Border Patrols, hearings in Utah, Connecticut. Let me see, where else do I be doing? Oregon. They banned me. Let me see, what else states do I be doing? Kentucky, if you will. How far are you from? I'm not from Arizona. I'm from Los Angeles. I'm from LA. Hey, thank you, Raven, for the follow. Highly appreciate it. Are you from Arizona? No, I'm not. I'm from California. California, they don't offer. They're not open to the public in California. If they were, I'll be all over those. That's why I got to choose different states. He stays on the YouTube AZ. Yup. I'm in Cali too. That's right. Represent your city. How often do you do AZ? I do AZ all day, every day. I do about 7 to 8 streams from Arizona daily. Can you get different states like Pennsylvania? I don't know. Are Pennsylvania, are they open to the public?
Hey, can I please get Mr. Williams?
Tomorrow for parole board, it'll most likely be Connecticut and Utah. Let me see. Wish Los Angeles did this, right? Virginia does. They do the parole board hearings. As a matter of fact, I think we got one coming up soon. Sheesh. Can you start doing Illinois? Do they stream them? I mean, I don't know.
Can I please get your name and date of birth?
John Williams.
Thank you, Lisa.
32473.
Thank you. You are here on an out-of-county warrant. Looks like you have something going down in Pima County. And so, sir, I am assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be March 21. That's at the Pima County Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge down there. It's a $10,000 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. If you wait over there, they're going to give you, okay?
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. And then once he's out, could we get, Mr. Mazer, please?
New viewer, is there a reason why you pick the states you stream? Well, Arizona, Maricopa County, I selected them because they make it really easy to get into the streams. Also, I thank you, highly appreciate that. And also, they do it like 8 times a day. They have so many courts a day that it makes it really, it's it makes sense. And then I also do Dade County, which would be in Miami, Florida, if you will. Hey, thank you, Lisa. Highly appreciate that. So states that do it easily, I just go and click a button. I'm there. Those are the ones I tend to prefer, if you will. DD, thank you. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. What was the outcome of that crazy granny the other day? You know what? I'm not sure. I got to check. I got to check if she got paroled.
Okay, sir. Name and date of birth, please.
Zachary Macer, May 7th, 1995.
Thank you. You're here on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. The grand jury has found probable cause to hold you on 10 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, Class 2 felonies.
Wow.
These offenses occurred back in January of 2022. I am assigning you counsel. Your next court date is going to be March 26th for an arraignment hearing in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the grand jury. It's a $100,000 cash bond. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services release. You're going to be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victims. Not to have any contact with any minors. You are prohibited from accessing the internet through any electronic means. And you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No.
All right, thank you. Please have to left for your paperwork.
Hey, thank you.
And this concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
So you heard that right there. He said that concludes the 11 p.m. and it's already 11:40. We had a good run today, if you will. Yeah, he 100,000. Hopefully not. I wouldn't want him to see. I wouldn't want to see him going anywhere, but staying there. Yeah, there's a lot of people in there when you go on. Yup. Hey man, I do appreciate you guys. Tapping in. Hell yeah, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, you know what? So Maricopa County, that's how they normally are. They wait until the end to hear those type of cases, and the reason they do that is because they clear out the whole courtroom because they don't want these individuals to get hurt, or at least that not hurt in front of them. I'm not sure how they handle them inside the jail. I'm not sure if they're segregated, if they got their own units or whatnot, but I would assume they do. I'm sure at some point it wasn't like that. I'm pretty sure it was a free-for-all, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people got hurt and probably ended up going to that upper room, if you will, if you catch my drift. So as you know, they had to make a decision to protect them. But hopefully it's not like that when they go to prison. Thank you. I appreciate that, Mrs. I didn't get your full name, but I appreciate that. I realized that when I went in, they always go last. Yup. Hey, guys, so I appreciate you guys, everybody that's tuned in. If you guys were tapping, I appreciate that. If you're just viewing, I appreciate that. If you're just lurking, I appreciate that. If you're dropping comments, I appreciate it. When it comes to gifts, it's not required. It is nice. But for me personally, what I'm looking for more of is you guys sharing these lives with your friends, families, with those people that you love, even with the people you don't love. I'm trying to grow the channel. This is the smaller channel. I do have 2 channels. My other channel is on a timeout right now. They put me on a 1 week timeout for whatever reason. So, once the next court is going to be at 5 a.m., but I'm probably not going to be up for that one. Most likely I'll be up for the 7 o'clock one, if you will, on the website? Hey, unfortunately, I'm not going to provide you with that information. I don't put that out, because what's been happening is, people have been coming across my stream and they've been copying what I'm doing, which is, you do what you got to do, but I'm not going to help anybody do that. If you do want to, watch these streams, like I said, I normally have them on YT. If you go to @CollectCallFrom or @CollectCallFrom on YT, I'm always running them there. Even if I'm not on TT, they're always constantly running there throughout the day. So you'll always be able to catch one. Let me see. Bet I'll be there at 7 for sure. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. I gotta go ahead and unpack all my stuff. I gotta shower and I gotta do a bunch of other stuff because I just walked into my house from our flight from the airport. Let me see. Well, women also don't play when it comes to S. Yeah, I could imagine. Let me see. Hey, you're the OG. Thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you for everything you. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate it. Good night, big dog. Yeah, good night. Take care. See you at 7. Hey, for sure. Hey, like I said around here, guys, I am Collect Call James, and you are watching. You have a Collect Call From. Like I said around here, it's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it lights out. And with that, I am out. Rato, and have a good night, all right? See you guys in the morning. Buenas noches.